It's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from I Love Poop and Pee. It's from a video called Catch a Poop. That video was uploaded 1 year ago on March 5th, 2023. The duration of the sound effect is 007 to 020. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Time to preview this sound effect. See, that's how the farting sound effect from I Love Poop and Pee sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in. I think I do have to poop, and I have to test I Love Poop and Pee's farting sound effect. I have to go to the bathroom. Ouch. I feel so much better. Remember kids, when you need to go poop, just use I Love Poop and Pee's farting sound effect. The video is in the description. It starts at 007 and ends at 020. Make sure you remove the guitar music at the beginning and end.